As you can hear in this video, there is a loud squeak that occurs whenever the washing machine gets to the spin cycle. And what we're going to do is replace a belt on the washing machine that will remove the squeak. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the belt, which is making a squeaking noise. It's worn out, and I'm going to be replacing it with a new belt. But in order to get to the belt, you have to tip the washing machine back on its heels and scoot the washing machine forward, leaning it back. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm leaning the washing machine back. Laying it far back in order to be able to get to the belt, which is inside of this cover. Okay, the belt that we're being replaced is going around two wheels, one down here and one up here, and there's a screw on either side that hold this a cover on, and these screws are held on by a 5/16 inch screw, and taking those off, we remove the cover to get to the belt. And you can see that there's a belt that's going around the larger wheel and the smaller wheel. The smaller wheel has lip on it. The larger wheel doesn't have a lip on it, so you have to slip it off of the larger wheel. At this point, you're able to clean up both the large and the small wheel and wipe them down really well, and we'll be able to put the new wheel back on after these are cleaned up. The way that you put it on is you start by putting it on the smaller side, then work it around the larger wheel. This is very similar to the way that you put a chain back onto a bicycle. After you've put the belt around both of those, you can put the cover back on and tip the machine back up. Now that the belt is on and the cover is replaced, the machine can be tipped back. You can then run the washer and test to see that the squeaking sound has stopped. As you can hear by it spinning the drum, there is no squeaking anymore. there's a certain amount of shaking that's going on, and I need to adjust the height of the feet in order to keep it from shaking. But there is no squeaking that's coming from the belt anymore, and so this is fixed.